Okay guys, we're back again and we're going to show you another quick, easy hairstyle. She already has her beachy waves and we prepped it a lot, but I'm just going to take the Orbe texture spray and just spray a little bit just right at her root, just to give it a little more grit in there. And then we're going to just show you a really easy half up pony to do real fast. I'm going to have Kate hold this rubber band. We get our rubber bands from Sally's Beauty Supply. I think they're the best and they don't rip the hair out. So again, I'm going to leave some cute face framing pieces around her face. And I'm going to take this half up section. Kate, hold that. Hold it up right here. And then I'm going to take another half up section, leaving some cute hairs out. On the sides too. And then I'm just going to take this up and kind of comb it a little bit smoother. Nothing too crazy. And then I'm going to take the rubber band and I'm just going to tie it around like 3 times. And then just gonna poof this out a little bit. And maybe spray a little more texture spray. And if you want, you could put like a cute little scrunchie, or you could take a piece of hair from underneath and just wrap it around just to cover up that rubber band. You don't have to do it because it's clear, so you don't really see it, but if you want to. And then you can just tuck it under that rubber band. And I feel like that's cute too. And then that's a cute, easy little half up hairstyle. And it's a crying shame I came all this way, cause I won't find Jesus in LA. And it's a crying shame I came all this way, cause I won't find Jesus in LA.